Okay, she's walking very fast, but here's Deb. We have bolt cutters. Would you like to know why we're walking down the street in P-Town with bolt cutters? Stay tuned, and you will find out why we had to find bolt cutters in P-Town. Dun dun dun. Bolt cutters in P-Town. Look how cute they are. Dun dun dun. Let's see if it works. Let's see.
How does this work?
Hold on. Give it leverage first. Let me pull this away and get some leverage. Hold on. Watch your fingers. Our bike lock is stuck.
How do you make these work?
I have no idea. Let's YouTube it.
There. And then what helps is if you give it one of these.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, he's got the trick.
Hey, bud,
my
come
God,
outside.
see?
We're
We
stealing
don't
a
even know
bike.
how to use fucking bolt cutters.
I said, come outside. We're stealing a bike. It's cool.
Look at this.
Come see.
Yeah. No,
Oh, God. Okay. I'm watching.
For a minute, we don't even know how to use them.
I'll come in a minute.
You want me to hold them tight for you?
We're stealing a bike. No, I'm kidding. We're just
Here, if
working
you
on a
hold
bike
that, if you hold the two sides,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
I can go. Well, just watch your fingers.
You want to cut any fingers off?
Oh my God.
Yeah, hey, let me call you back. bud, okay?
Adventures in P-Town. Well, we never had this happen in the 20-something years.
All right, don't buy anything till I come in, all right?
Yeah, cables
Okay.
are pretty hard. See if you can do like half of it.
All right.
Fucking nuts.
It's kryptonite,
We're bringing this fucking back to that bike shop, and they're gonna like
All right, I gotta
give
go.
Hold it
give your
tight.
money back.
Give it a
right?
little wiggle. Yeah, you can hear them breaking there.
I can hear them breaking. Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Oh yeah. Here, let's go.
You're going to have to write a song about this. That's
Oh my
great.
God! Right?
I don't know, man.
Fucking
Put a bit
nuts.
left in there. I don't know. It's coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where you guys going after this? We're all going to the bar together, right?
It's,
Who knows?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's coming. There you go. Yep.
it's ripping now.
Yep. There. Feel 'em.
It's like pulling teeth out of your mouth.
Let's take another look.
Yeah.
Those will fucking stab you too.
Oh, yeah.
It's
Yeah.
getting sharp in there. Oh yeah, you got the twist now. Oh yeah, there it is. Is this a borrowed lock or something?
Okay. Problem solved. Thanks to these two guys. And we're going to, is he playing his guitar? We're going to come by with all our friends and throw money in this thing.